Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar we're going to go over how you would be able to get into your vehicle, say if your smart key won't be able to open it. So the battery is dead, and whether your car battery is dead or the battery's dead in the fob, you're still going to need to get into the vehicle. And you can see right here we don't have an actual keyhole, and nor does this resemble saying that it's a key, because this is a smart key. So the way you get into the vehicle so that you can pop the hood to be able to jump start your vehicle, and then also get the trunk open because the battery is in the trunk on here, or if this battery is dead that's in your remote, you'll still need to do the same procedure. So you'll see on your remote right here this silver side here that says Jaguar on it. You're going to slide it one way or the other, and then you'll be able to pop the cover off. And then you've got the key. It's built right in here, okay? And it's just slipped in there, and you'll just slide it out. And then it has a little key handle there for you to be able to pop that when you get that in there. So also, you can take your key, a solid part of your key, right there. So there's a little indent right here, and you're going to pop the key in right there, and that frees this cover off. And now you can take this key and twist it to unlock the door so that you can get in and be able to pop the hood, or to be able to get some jumper cables on there if you need to jump start it, or to get the trunk to be open. You still have to provide some power to it through the jumper cables up front. But this also gets you in, so if the key is just dead in here, this gets you into the vehicle, and that's how you would do it. And then when you're done and you've changed and started the car, been able to start the car, do what you need to do, and you'll just pop that cover back on, and then you'll replace the battery in your key fob remote if that was just your problem. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.